Welcome everyone to Lockout, Tagout, or LOTO training. Today we'll learn about the importance of LOTO procedures, their application, and how they safeguard us from hazardous energy sources during equipment maintenance. Compliance with Lockout, Tagout prevents an estimated 120 fatalities and 50,000 injuries each year. Workers injured on the job from exposure to hazardous energy lose an average of 24 workdays for recuperation. This training is vital to protect ourselves and our colleagues from potential accidents and ensure a safe work environment. This course will be divided into 3 parts: understanding the LOTO process, hazardous energy, OSHA standard and device education, and lastly, the application of lockout tagout procedures. So if you're ready, let's get started.